If you're using soft picks and your gums bleed, or it feels like you're poking your gums, or the pick bends immediately and becomes useless, you're probably making one simple mistake that slowly irritates your gums and can even lead to gum recession. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use them safely and effectively, without bending them. Front teeth, back teeth, everything. Soft picks can be amazing. They're basically like a tiny toothbrush between your teeth, but most people use them like a toothpick. They jab, they twist, and they force it. And then they say, hey, these bend right away. I can't even reuse them. And yeah, that happens when you do it the wrong way. So let me show you the dentist-approved technique. Here's the biggest mistake. People push the soft pick down into the gum, or force it through a tight space. That's not cleaning, that's just unnecessary trauma. And that's also why the pick bends instantly. Soft picks are not meant to be pushed. They're meant to be guided. Here's the rule. Don't aim into the gum. Aim through the space between the teeth. Slide it in gently, no force, and if it doesn't fit, you need a smaller size. Now here's the correct technique. Do not twist, do not poke, do not scrub aggressively. Instead, insert it gently and do 5 to 7 slow in and out strokes. That's it. That's what removes plaque. And here's the secret. If you keep the motion straight, the soft pick won't bend. Most people bend it because they angle it sideways. But more on that in just a moment. And by the way, this funny looking thing right here is an Optagate. Dentists use it to keep the lips out of the way. But now, I'll demonstrate the correct technique section by section. Let's start with the front teeth. Most people get build-up here, and this is also where tartar tends to form the fastest. So it's very important to clean this area effectively. Slide it in gently, 5 to 7 strokes in and out, and rinse. Super simple. Nothing more, nothing less. Now the side teeth, or premolars as we call them. With these, it's sometimes easier to enter from the inside, the tongue side, because unlike all the other teeth, the angle is actually wider on the inside compared to the outside. If you need to go in from the inside, that's totally fine and completely normal. Same rule, straight in, straight out. 5 to 7 gentle strokes. Now the hardest part, the back molars. This is where everyone struggles. But here's a super convenient trick. Don't open your mouth too wide. If you close slightly, your cheek becomes more elastic and you can reach those back molars much easier. And most importantly, keep the pick straight. Don't bend it sideways. That's the difference between reusable and useless soft picks. And a few dentist level bonus tips. You can add a tiny bit of toothpaste on your soft pick if you want even better cavity protection. Soft picks are amazing for braces, implants, bridges, food traps, and for people who hate flossing. But one warning, they contain silicone and plastic, so do not chew on them. If anything breaks off, spit it out. Great. But this is just one part of protecting your oral health. If you want expert level protection from cavities, gum recession, and tooth sensitivity, download my free oral care guide below. It has simple step-by-step protocol that keeps you cavity free. Link is in the description. And if you want to know the right flossing technique that actually works without hurting your gums, watch this video next, and I'll see you there.